Today, I'm going to show you the brand new Google Gemini 2.5 Flash update that just dropped. And it's absolutely crazy. This thing is 24% cheaper to run, way faster, and actually explains stuff like a real teacher. Now, I'm talking about homework help that breaks down every single step, images that get edited with one simple prompt, and AI that can chain together multiple tools like a pro. So Google just released this massive update to Gemini 2.5 Flash on September 25th. And everyone's losing their minds over it. This isn't just another small tweak. This is a complete game changer. First thing, this update makes everything way cheaper. We're talking about 24% fewer output tokens. That means if you were paying $100 a month before, now you're paying $76 for the same work. That adds up fast. But here's the crazy part. It's not just cheaper. It's also way better at explaining things step by step. Like if you ask it to solve a math problem, it doesn't just give you the answer anymore. It walks you through every single step like a real tutor would. And the tool chaining. Holy cow! This thing can now connect multiple tools together in one smooth workflow. So it can search for something, process that data, run calculations, and then create a report, all in one go. The image stuff is where it gets really wild though. They call it Nano Banana. And it can edit images, blend multiple photos together, and keep characters looking consistent across different edits. The model string you need is Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview 092025. You can access it through Google AI Studio or Vertex AI. Both are free to try. Let me show you some real examples. First up, homework help. Here's the prompt. Explain how to solve this integral step by step and show any substitution you use. Integral x times e to the power of x squared dx. Format the answer with numbered steps and a short one-line summary. Look at this response. It gives me numbered steps, shows every substitution, and ends with a clear summary. This is like having a math tutor that never gets tired and works 24/7. The old version would just give you the answer with maybe one or two steps. Next example, structured outputs. I asked it, write a 300-word explanation of the greenhouse effect with headings, a 3-item bullet summary, and a 2-column table of causes versus solutions. Check out how clean this output is. Headers that make sense, bullet points that actually summarize the key points, and a table that's ready to copy and paste. No more reformatting AI outputs to make them usable. Now for the image understanding part. I uploaded a photo of a complex physics diagram with handwritten notes. Then I asked, explain each labeled part and convert these notes into 8 flashcards. It identified every single label, explained what each part does, and created 8 study flashcards. It even handled my messy handwriting better than most humans would. But wait, it gets even better. Let me show you the image editing. I took a regular photo and gave it this prompt. Take this photo, remove the background, add a cinematic sunset, and keep the subject's clothing consistent with the original colors. Look at this result. The background removal is clean, the sunset looks natural, and all the original colors stayed exactly the same. This would have taken me hours in Photoshop. Here's where the tool chaining really shines. I set up a workflow that goes, find latest API docs for XYZ, extract code example, run a simulated calculation, and produce a short README. Watch how smoothly it moves between each step. It finds the documents, pulls out relevant code, processes that information, and creates documentation, all in one flow. Actually, let me pause here because I want to tell you about something that can help you take advantage of all these AI updates. We've got a flash sale on the AI Profit Boardroom. It's 30% off this month, plus you get free access to the SEO Elite Circle when you sign up. Our deal lasts through September, and there's only a few days left. This is where I share all my latest AI strategies for scaling businesses and getting more customers with automation. Links in the description. The efficiency gains here are massive. That 24% token reduction means faster responses and serious time savings. Workflows that used to take an hour now finish in 45 minutes. The instruction following got way better too. If you ask for bullet points, you get bullet points. If you want numbered steps, that's what you get. The old version would ignore these requests half the time. For content creators, you can specify exactly how you want your output formatted and trust that it will follow your instructions. The image improvements go beyond just editing. It's way better at understanding complex visual content now. Charts, diagrams, screenshots of code, handwritten notes. It processes all of this accurately. I tested it with a screenshot of messy code and asked it to explain what each function does. Not only did it understand the code, it also caught a bug I hadn't noticed. Keep in mind, this is still a preview release. Behavior might be slightly different between AI Studio, Vertex, and the regular Gemini app. Some people reported rate-limiting issues right after launch, but that's settling down. Let me give you some practical tips for getting the most out of this update. First, be specific about formatting. If you want structured output, ask for it explicitly. Second, for image tasks, break complex requests into smaller chunks for better results. Third, monitor your token usage. Even though it's 24% more efficient, complex requests can still add up. Fourth, use the step-by-step feature for learning. Ask for explanations, not just answers. The agentic tool use is probably the most underrated improvement. You can build reliable multi-step automations without babysitting each step. Think about workflows like research a topic, summarize findings, create an outline, write content, format for publishing. You can set it running and come back to finished work. The cost savings combined with better quality is rare in AI updates. Usually you get one or the other. This time we got both. If you're currently using GPT-4 or Claude for high-volume work, this Gemini update might be worth switching to. Those token savings really matter at scale. The image generation improvements make it competitive with specialized tools like Midjourney for practical editing tasks. The homework help feature isn't just for students. If you're learning new skills as an adult, having an AI that breaks down complex topics step by step is incredibly valuable. I tested it with programming concepts, marketing strategies, even cooking techniques. The explanations were clear every time. The scannable output format is perfect for busy professionals. Long AI responses used to be walls of text. Now you get headers, bullet points, and tables that make information easy to digest quickly. For the technical folks, the model alias test is Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview 092025. You can access it through Google AI Studio or Vertex AI. Here's what this means for the bigger AI landscape. Google is positioning Gemini as the practical, efficient choice, not necessarily the most creative, but the one that gives you the best value for real work. Most AI use cases are practical, not creative. People need help with research, writing, analysis, and automation. They don't always need the absolute cutting edge if it costs twice as much. The tool chaining improvements put Gemini closer to what we're seeing with AI agents. It can handle multi-step workflows that required custom orchestration before. For creators and entrepreneurs, this opens up new possibilities for content production, customer service, and business automation. The combination of lower costs and better reliability makes it feasible to automate tasks that weren't cost-effective before. The image editing capabilities remove a huge technical barrier. You don't need to know Photoshop anymore to make professional-looking edits. That democratizes visual content creation. If you're doing high-volume work where costs matter, test this immediately. For the majority of business and educational use cases, this hits the sweet spot of quality, speed, and cost. Start testing now while it's still preview. Get familiar with the new capabilities before everyone else catches on. Early adopters always have an advantage. Overall, this is one of the most significant AI updates we've seen this year. Lower costs, better quality, improved reliability, or crowds, exactly what the market needed. If you want to dive deeper into using AI for business growth and automation, check out my AI Profit Boardroom. We cover everything from lead generation to customer service automation. Right now, it's 30% off through the end of September. You also get free access to the SEO Elite Circle. Links in the description. Want to make more money with AI? Welcome to the free AI Money Lab. Inside, you'll get 50+ free AI tools and 200+ ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents, get access to 1,000+ free N8N workflows, 200+ ChatGPT prompts, learn how one member made 10,000+ with ChatGPT, and get a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. You'll also get free AI community access, a free AI course, and proven AI case studies. Links in the description. Comment below and let me know what you think about this Gemini update. Hit that like button and subscribe for more AI updates. I test everything so you don't have to waste time on tools that don't work. The AI game is moving fast, and these updates are game changers if you know how to use them. Don't get left behind. I'll see you in the next one.